Welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. This is Ipec. Today we are going to cook these delicious, they smell so good. These delicious oatmeal raisin cookies. They really smell so good. Like, I can't wait to eat. I'm gonna make some good coffee. I love to eat my dessert with some coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee and cookie. It's gonna be my perfect happy moment of my day. Well, yeah, we are going to make these. I'm gonna show you guys in this video. They are so easy, nothing hard at all, and I'm sure your kids will love it. So if you want to learn this kind of recipes, go ahead and subscribe my channel. That button, you need to click on that button. And if you're ready, let's get started. We are gonna start with adding our butter. 1 stick of butter, which is 113 grams of butter. And I'm going to mix it with sugar. We are gonna use 2 different kinds of sugar, brown and normal white sugar. If you have hand mixer, you can use that too. I am using my KitchenAid, which was a gift for my birthday actually, and I love to use it because it makes everything so easy for me. I'm going to use a medium speed, which was number 4 in KitchenAid. I don't know if it will be the same number for hand mixer, but just use the medium speed, and we are going to mix till it get creamy texture. They combine together really good and get the creamy texture. After it is done, we are going to add our eggs and vanilla. 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla we are adding and mixing again. It is ready to add my dry ingredients, which is flour, cinnamon, salt and baking soda. 1 and 1.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour we are using. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Basically, last step we are adding all of our dry ingredients. Just a little bit salt make the sweetness come up more in your dessert actually, so that's why it's really important to add salt. And because there is a lot of dry ingredients, sometimes it can be a little bit messy. I'm using this coverage, so if it is going to be messy, it will protect me to clean up a lot of stuff. Again, in medium heat, we are going to keep mixing. This cookie is actually really easy. There's not too many things to do. You're just adding everything in one bowl, but be careful with the steps. That's the only thing you need to be careful. And then it's going to be ready in a really short period of time. Our cookies are almost ready. We are going to do our last step. As you can see, cookie dough mix really good. It has such a creamy texture right now, but also it is not like soft. So now we are going to add 1 cup of raisin and 3 cup of oatmeal. Oatmeal is going to be uncooked, but you can add either old fashioned or the other one. I really don't remember the name of it, but it was the quick cook oatmeal or quick oatmeal. Both of them will be okay. Another mixing, but we are not going to use our mixer because it will smash raisins and the oatmeal. Yes, I broke my spatula, but the actually wood spoon worked better. Just take a spoon like a wood spoon like mine or any type of thing that you can mix it and mix with that. Be sure every part of your cookie is going to get equal amount of oatmeal and the raisin. So my cookie sizes were actually 1 tablespoon. The first one was a little bit bigger and make it smaller, and then I decided to go like this. First I was taking with my wood spoon, or you can just take with your tablespoon, doesn't matter, and push with the other one. If you have ice cream scooper, you can do with that too. Actually, it will be probably way more easy than my way, but if you don't have it, you can do the same like how I am doing. In total, I had 36 cookie, which was a good amount. You can make it a little bit more smaller. You can change the shape of it. You don't have to do exactly the same cookie shape. Cooking time might change if you change the shape, so be careful with that. We are going to heat our oven at 350 Fahrenheit, which is 180 Celsius. And you can see I had a 3 tray of cookie. They didn't cook yet, but they look so delicious. Now I'm going to put in my oven. I'm going to cook till they get brown color on the top, which take for me the size of cookie I had and with the oven I have, it take like 20 minutes, but yours might take a little less than that. Be sure to check every once in a while after 10 minutes. Just check it. If it needs 5 more minutes, give 5 more minutes. Now they're ready. You can see the color from the video. Actually they had that brown color that is perfect. When they didn't cook, they are more soft. Now we are going to just let them cool down for about a minute or two, because they might be still so hot and they might be still a little bit soft. So just let them cool down. They will get hard and they will cool down so we can eat those delicious cookies. I hope you guys like this video and also will try this recipe and like the cookies, because I love them and they were really delicious. They make my house smell so good. You just have to have that smell in your house and try these cookies. If you do, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share so we can make more delicious foods together to eat with our family, with our friends, with the people we love. For now, see you on the next videos.